Genuine update on heart quality. The longing I feel is ill. All never thought of feeling urgent with someone I really know. Then suddenly I meet you one day and something in my ear whisper that this is the girl that I have always yearned for. Since then all know is that I love you and want to be with you forever. Testamented to the deep love I have for you, which now distance can diminish. Every bite of my heart, every breath I take is filled thought of you more thine soulmate, my forever love. I never know what true love was. United, I meet you, have filled my life with you. Happiness is endless. Love, I am forever grateful for you. Love is a like warm embrace on cold winter night. It comforts me, it fills me with warmth, and it makes me feel I live. I could search the world I over and never I find a love and as pure, as deep, as true as the love I have for you. You are my one and only one. I look into your eyes. I am my future, my happiness, my forever. You are the missing pieces of heart. Every better, every text, and every call is precious reminder of your unwearying love. The day I get to see you again will be happiest moment. Breath every second of waiting distance is just a taste of how far love can travel, and our is infinite thought. We are apart. I crash the times we are share across distance as they make our bond stronger. I dream of the day I cannot hold you close, knowing that each day brings us nearing to that reality. The meals between us are smile obviously compared to have the love that stretches endless in my heart. You are never forever. Your love is a constant preciousness guiding me through each day. When you miss the one love, you all see them in everything you do. When that person is missing you too, they will call and talk to you, and you will know that you were meant to be. I still think of you every day. I know time think has passed since then. You have been gone, but for me it has only you are little and stronger, crucial, but somehow they have become so much more important to me. Things I miss the most of waiting you. I love you forever. I am continuing down the minute united I go to see you. When I remember that I want to spend the rest of my life with you, I start really missing you because I want the rest of my life to come already. Baby, you give me a reason to hope, look forward to, and keep the faith that some days we will be united at last, never to separated by distance anymore. Yesterday at night I asked an angel product in your sleep. The angel refused, and I asked what reasons was. The angel then told me angel cannot protect any other angels. I was thinking about you today. You are always my mind, and I cannot excite wonder about you will be being safety. I hope you are already. If you will be take ill when roses in your hand and look the mirror, you will be see most beautiful, amazing thing in this world. My coin, I am already dreaming so much about our togetherness, and I will believe to Allah will brings us together. I love you and I keep think about you every day, every night. You are my pieces, my joy. Full I found true love in you are my heart. Expected you, my family. Expected the real family. Expected you are finally Allah approved our future joined together. I love you so much and I will wait patiently for to be together each day. Young Rashid, my son, keep asking dad when mom come to me with my love so much, Yoni, and I really miss you. Please come home to us and hope you will be get the car today offer. I am sweetheart. Every moment spent with you feels like a dream, a beautiful, never ending dream. I crush you more than that. You are every now. You love is a like melody that plays in my heart, softness my souls and things, filling me with joy. I am forever grateful for you are the sun that brightness, my days, the moon that guides me through the night.